That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, focus, baby.
Welcome back to another video. My name is Janisha for those who may or may not know, and I'm back with another freaking video. And as you can tell, it's another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using the colorful James Charles palette today in this makeup look. I decided to go with something, you know, more colorful on it and decided to do a rainbow look. Who knows where this look was going to go, but I did it. And it turned out alright. The eyes came out cute. Now the face, that's another story. And we're going to get to that when we get to that part. But yeah, so right now I'm just going to be using yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, blue, and green. I'm not just going in that order. You're going to pack it on first. Use different brushes. And yeah. I will see you when I get to the next part of the look.
Waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me to.
Now that both your eyes are done, you're going to go in with some makeup remover and a Q-tip and clean off your lid. And you're going to like clean it like you cut in your crease. And y'all, this cut crease, baby, I struggled, but I'll fix that in the end. You will see. But yeah, I did mess up on my cut crease. Like, I use an angle brush normally, but that never works. So I decided to just use a flat brush. And I guess I don't know, y'all. Y'all need to give me some tips in the comments down below, because my cut creases never come out like great, but I did fix this one in the end. So yeah, you're gonna go ahead and cut your crease and add a wing eyeliner. Oh yeah, I also set the concealer with Sister from the James Charles palette, and then I added my wing liner. eyes, you're going to go ahead and start with your face. You want to make sure your face is moisturized and that you prime your face always. And I'm going to be using the Juvias Place foundation. I forgot the color. I will leave the color in the description box down below. And then, yeah, you're just going to blend that all over your face. Like, blend till you can't blend no more. And, yeah, I've been thinking about going darker with my foundation because I have hyperpigmentation in my neck. But then again, the rest of my body not that dark, so I don't know. We're just going to have to test it and see. So now I'm going to highlight with the Tarte concealer, and again the color will be down below in the description box. And I'm just going to do underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin area. Then you're going to make sure it's blended really well. I went in with a brush at first, and then I used my beauty blender to make sure that everything is blended out seamlessly. And then what y'all think about this concealer? Do you think I should go a shade lighter, or is it okay? Let me know down in the comments down below. And then you're going to go in with some setting powder, and you're just going to dab it on there. You're just going to set it into your face. Don't bake yet, just set it so it won't crease. Now you're going to go in and bake for like 5 seconds. I don't even bake that long no more. I don't know why, but a lot of YouTubers not doing this, so I'm going to follow them because they know what they're doing. And this is where I messed up with the contour. I went a little too heavy with that thing, but you know what? It was too late to start all over again, so I'm just going to still post it, and y'all don't be dragging me in the comments down below, okay? And yeah, so you're just gonna make sure you contour. You're gonna make sure your cheekbones are popping, and then you're gonna use a finishing powder to dust off the extra powder that you have on your face from the setting powder. Added lashes off camera, and then this is where I told you I fixed my cut crease. So what I did was I wet the liner brush with setting spray, and then I went in and dipped it inside the same color Sister, and I just fixed it. Like, just look at it. Don't it look fixed? And I didn't think about that at all. I was just like, I can't be walking around with this raggedy cut crease, so I need to do something to fix it. So yeah, that's what I did. Even though I'm not going nowhere, I went to the living room and that's it. So yeah, you just gonna fix your cut crease. Make any mistakes that you made, you can always fix it with concealer or anything, honestly. We used some Fix Plus by Max to set it all together. Did my lips off camera. I thought I did it in the frame, but it was not in the frame. And you're gonna just put some highlight on, and then you're done. And you pose, take a couple pictures, and then you're done, sis. Okay.
Tell me if you like it. Gonna make the move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. Me and you.
Alright, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching it. And if you made it this far, go ahead and leave me a like and a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you vibing with your girl. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.